I was hoping for really good things for this Earthquake XT 12 volt 3/8 cordless extreme torque ratchet wrench kit, 60 foot-pounds. I was hoping for really good things, but I don't want to say full thumbs down, and I don't want to say full thumbs up. Why do I have two boxes here? Well, I have one ratchet. I have one cordless ratchet here. I have two boxes because the first one I bought, actually, when it got real, I would use it for, I don't know, I think the first time I used it for 8 minutes, maybe, on and off 10 minutes, doing a timing belt. And when it got hot, the trigger would stop working. I would push the trigger all the way down and it stopped working. The ratchet stopped working. So I returned it. I forgot to give them the box back, so when they gave me the new one, they gave me another box. Hence, two boxes. So what does it come with? Well, not very much. The instructions right here. Earthquake XT EQ38R XT-12 volt. Item number is 63538. You have the ratchet itself. You have a charger. And it comes with one battery. Now if you plan on using this thing a lot, I would suggest getting 2 batteries. I think another battery is about 22 bucks. Only goes in one way. So I have my scale here set to 0. 2 pounds and 15 ounces, 15.1 ounces. So it weighs 2 pounds, 15 ounces. What are the pros? The pros are that it was cheap. It was 100 and something bucks, 120 bucks. It is cheap. It's of quality. I mean, it's heavy. This is more like a rubberized section down here. You have a trigger right here. Good handle. This is metal. All that's metal right there. That's all metal. The whole gray area right here, that's metal. It charges up relatively fast. Didn't take a long time for this battery to charge out of the box, nor after using it for a while. I know I read one review where the guy says, actually there's one video where he says he used it for about 8 hours and still had a lot of power, still was working. I don't know about power, but the one thing I did not like about this, couple things I guess. So now for the cons. It is a long ratchet. Let's see, how long is it? With the battery, it comes in at 13.5 inches, 13.25 inches. So it is relatively long. It kind of makes it difficult. It makes it difficult to get into tight spots. I did it when I actually bought this thing to do a timing belt on a Honda V6. What I found is it was really hard and difficult to get into tight spots. I know Milwaukee has one of these, a 3/8 cordless ratchet that is quite a bit shorter than this, not as long, so making it a little bit easier to get into those tight spots. But the one thing that I did not like about this ratchet was the fact that it automatically stops when it gets to a specific torque. You can actually put this on a bolt, and then when it gets to, I don't know what the torque is, maybe it's 60 pounds, what they talk about right here. But it just stops. It doesn't keep trying to tighten it down. It just stops. It doesn't give you that feel. So I've used air ratchets most of my life, and an air ratchet will actually keep trying to twist the bolt until you stop the trigger. This thing will actually stop itself from tightening down even when you have your hand on the trigger. Now I used a Milwaukee 3/8 cordless ratchet, and I'll put a picture of that up right now as well. But this thing was awesome, and it's about 300 bucks with a battery and everything out the door. The Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet I'm talking about is catalog number 2557-20. This thing was a workhorse. It was a beast. Even though it was a little bit smaller than the Harbor Freight air ratchet or Harbor Freight cordless ratchet, it would keep torquing the bolt down. It didn't stop when it wanted to. It stopped when you physically let your hand off the trigger. And I wish I could show you an easy way to show this to you. Took that out. Okay, now I'm gonna start that by hand. Turn it around, tighten it up, and you'll watch. It'll get there. It'll obviously put the bolt in, but then it stops at a certain point. Whereas with the air ratchet or this Milwaukee that I used, it kept ratcheting until I let off the trigger. So I don't know. That's just one feature that I don't like about it. The fact that it stops itself when it wants to, not me telling the tool when to stop. I should be able to tell the tool when to stop, not the tool telling me when to stop. I'm gonna take it back to Harbor Freight. I don't know. I just don't like it. I don't like it. And there's a lot of reviews on Harbor Freight's website where it talks about how they like this ratchet, but I just don't like it. And if you're a weekend warrior doing stuff every once in a while and you want to save that time, yeah, go ahead, get it. Don't expect a lot from it. But if you're a professional and you're doing this every single day in and out, and this is how you're making a living, do not buy this. Spend a little bit more money and get that Milwaukee. I'll put a link in the description below where you can buy that Milwaukee as well. Probably get some hate down in the comments below about hating on Harbor Freight, but most of the stuff I get from Harbor Freight I like quite a bit. Thought it'd be a good purchase, but after using it, getting my hands on it, I just don't like the way it feels. If you found this video helpful or any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.